Hi everybody, it's Tereese and welcome to my channel. It's Tea Friday 77. I'm here to just share a project that I've been working on. I've been hesitating of making a stocking for a friend, and I came across this pattern and this video, and I'll have Erica's link, her video down below for anybody that is interested in making this handmade stocking. Now, I am no professional whatsoever. I do not sew. I do it only for crafting purposes. I am no means a professional. So let me share my stocking. It is so cute. Oh, let me pull you up a little bit so you can see it better. I was going to put Lydia's name on here, but I didn't want to ruin it because I know if I tried it, like, okay. So this pattern I bought at, I want to say Joannes this year, when they had their 30% or 40% off fabric. Yeah, I got this. I was going to do another pattern, but this pattern kept catching my eye, and I had a feeling this is what I wanted to make my friend for Christmas. And we were doing a Christmas exchange or it's a Christmas stocking. So this is my first time sewing, so it's kind of a little wonky. This tab didn't catch. I had to sew it on. Not the whole thing, but like a quarter of an inch of it. But it's sturdy now, and I love this gingham red fabric that I used. So I'll have her video down below. She explains how to do this. I am an amateur when it comes to sewing. As you can tell, my stitching is so wonky. But I think that's what makes it handmade and so fun, is that this is totally out of my comfort zone, and I think I did a pretty good job. I love how it feels. I just love the look of it. I love this. Oh, and I also, I think this is muslin, so she could actually stamp on this, but I wasn't going to do that. I kept it plain. She could add um, paper to it if she wanted to. I figured she could customize it any way she wanted, and I just love the colors and this fabric that goes with it. So yeah, this is my Christmas stocking for my friend Lydia that we're doing a swap, and I probably won't upload this video until I mail her package out. So I just want to thank everybody for stopping by. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks, guys.